GOW-MAC 21080 Mini Leak Detector. Accurate analyses require leak-free gas delivery systems. The GOW-MAC 21080 Leak Detector can help find even the smallest leaks. This handheld leak detector features a thermal conductivity cell with an adjustable sensitivity for low and high ranges. With a response time of just 3 seconds, leak detection has never been easier. On a single full charge, you can expect your GOW-MAC leak detector to last approximately 20 hours. It charges to 90% of capacity in just 5 hours. As the 21080 has no hazardous area classification, it is not intended to detect combustible gases. It is intended to detect all inert gases except air, which is the detector reference gas. The thermal conductivity difference between reference air and the leak determines the low limit of detection. Battery life. The 21080 is powered by a rechargeable nickel metal hydride battery that ensures a long run time and life cycle. A multi-stage, high-efficiency charging circuit keeps dissipation at minimum, allowing low drift operation after charging. To achieve the highest sensitivity for extremely small leaks, the instrument should be disconnected from the charger and turned on for 5 to 10 minutes to allow thermal equilibrium to be reached. Size and weight. Excluding the measuring probe, the 21080 measures 4.1 by 3 by 7.5 inches. This compact leak detector weighs in at only 1.2 pounds. Step-by-step guide. Before using the GOW-MAC 21080 leak detector, allow the internal battery to charge for up to 5 hours using the included power adapter plug. 1. Briefly press the power button. The pump starts and a brief internal check begins. 2. Select low or high sensitivity. The high button increases sensitivity or gain by a factor of 10. The low button decreases the sensitivity or gain by a factor of 10. 3. After range is set, zeroing will appear on the screen. This also appears after the menu is closed or the menu zero button is pressed. The zeroing process adjusts the signal zero point to match the reference gas signal. The signal direction is either positive, indicated on the display as POS, or negative, indicated as NEG. This value is a function of the thermal conductivity of the leak compared to ambient air or atmosphere. Always be sure to zero the 21080 in an area that is away from the fittings you will be testing to ensure an accurate zero. 4. Press the alarm backlight button briefly to turn the audible alarm on or off. The type of alarm can also be changed or disabled within the configuration menu. Pressing and holding the alarm backlight button will turn the backlight on or off. 5. Areas to be tested must be free of substances where outgassing interferes with leak sampling. For example, oil, grease, wet paint, dust, and water. These types of contaminants can mask a leak or be drawn into the sampling probe. It is essential to make sure that the area is clean, especially for lower levels of detection. 6. To start your leak detection after the zeroing process is done, simply place the probe near the target area or fitting. Move the probe around the area you are looking to check. If a leak is detected, segments on the bottom row of the display will appear. The number of segments from 1 to 16 illuminate in the proportion to the intensity of the signal. This is proportional to the concentration of the sampled gas. 7. When locating the smallest leaks in high range, the user should wear a glove on the hand holding the probe. Contaminants from the bare skin can be pulled in through the sampling probe. 8. To shut off the leak detector, press and hold the power button for 1 second. The long press. Menu. The menu on the 21080 features an array of configurable operating parameters to optimize the instrument for your specific application. Leak detection is suspended while settings are being changed. Long press the Menu Zero button to open the menu screen. To set a certain parameter, you must scroll through the other options. You can scroll using the power and the alarm backlight buttons. When a certain parameter is on the screen, use the high-low buttons to change the value. Once the parameter is changed, you must save it by short pressing the Menu Zero button, a momentary press of the button. The parameters that can be edited in the menu include alarm volume, type, and set point, pump speed, intensity of the backlight, range sensitivity, peak hold, auto zero, and auto zero speed. The default settings can also be restored on this screen. Exit the menu by pressing and holding the Menu 0 button.